Hello, everyone, my friends all over the world. Welcome to another School of Destiny of Adrenaline online tutorial platform. Now, in this particular video, we're going to be going straight into one of the questions under a grade 12 calculus question under differentiation and integration. Now, this part is differentiation, which is why we're working with a rule called the quotient rule. There are several rules of it. We have the product rule, we have the quotient rule. So this is a quotient rule for a grade 12 uh, calculus for students in the United States and other parts of the international community. So I'm going to be taking you into step by step so that at the end of this video, every student that are watching this video, we have a broader knowledge to understand that calculus is actually so easy when you have the right tutor by your side as your guardian and as your genius. So let's go. Now, we first of all start with the rule. The rule is y is equal to u over v, because the question says find the derivative of y using quotient rule, where y is equal to 2x raised to power 4 minus 6x raised to power 2 divided by x raised to power 5. So it's easy. Now we know that when they give you a question that find the derivative of y, giving you that y is equal to u over v, it is actually very simple. The derivative of y is equal to v, right, multiplied by the derivative of u minus this u here multiplied by the derivative of y over the v squared. It's actually very easy. So let's just go straight. Now, I'll bring out u first. U is equal to 2x raised to power 4 minus 6x raised to power 2, while my v is equal to x raised to power 5. So I'll be giving you a simpler method to understand how these derivatives or how these derivations are done. It is actually not a problem, right? So let's continue. Now, the derivative of u is simply equal to, now take note, the power of x here is 4. So this 4, we multiply this coefficient of x, which is 2, which is 4 times 2 is 8. Remember, you are always to subtract 1 from the power. Take note, you are always to subtract 1 from the power. So here now gives me x raised to power 4 minus 1 is 3 minus, of course, the rule also applies to this one too. Anywhere you see x, 2 multiplied by 6 will give me 12x. When you remove 1 from this 2, the power becomes 1, which you don't write it out per se. Now, we've done for u and the derivative of u. We now move to the derivative of v, which is v prime equal to, there is a power of x which is 5, and there is a coefficient of x which is 1, which we do not write because there is always an invisible 1 on every human alive. For we who are Christians, it is the Holy Spirit which is always by our side. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5x. Remove 1 from 5, it is what? 4. Now that we have done all this, it is actually very simple. So let's just go straight in applying the formula. So the derivative of y is now equal to, is easy. This shortcut is this multiply this multiply this over v square. Simple. So let's go. So here becomes bracket 8x raised to power 3 minus 12x, okay, x raised to power 5. Now minus, which is what you are seeing here, I come here again, bracket, yeah, 2x raised to the power 4 minus 6x raised to the power 2 over 5x raised to the power what now 4 over x raised to the power 5. Remember they say square, so here you just give me x raised to the power 10, because when you square this one here become x raised to the power 5 square, which is 5 times 2 is 10. I've got 10. I hope it's getting clearer. So let's now simplify further. So we come here to now say this x raised to the power 5, we multiply everything in this bracket. So we come here, 8 times 1 is 8, so here is 8x raised to the power what now 8. You might be wondering, how did I get 8 indices? Whenever I'm having x raised to the power 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 5, of course x is now raised to power 3 plus 5 is what now 8. Easy, right? Because it's indices. Minus 12 x raised to the power what now 6. There's a power of 1 here, which 1 plus 5 is what 6. Now please be very careful. Minus, I'll put this bracket first. There's a reason for that. So 2 times 5 is 10 x raised to the power 8 minus 30 x raised to the power 6 over x raised to the power what now 10. I know it's getting easier, right? So I will have to erase the board so I can create more room to expand this. So erase the board so there can be a lot of. So let's go. Now when I expand this, I'll be having here to be 8x raised to the power 8 minus 12x raised to the power 6. Now take note, to remove this bracket, this minus or this negative sign here will multiply everything in this bracket, so some of the signs here will change. So here will give me minus 10x raised to the power 8. Minus times minus is positive, which is plus 30x raised to the power what now 6 over x raised to the power what now 10. I'm giving you beginner step. I just want you to understand every processes. So what do we do here? Remember, those powers that are equal, we merge, right? So 8x raised to the power 8 minus 10x raised to the power 8 will give me minus 2x raised to the power what now 8. Of course, minus 12x raised to the power plus 30x raised to the power 6. Remember, you just simply saying 30 minus 12, which give me plus what now 18x raised to the power what now 6 over x raised to the power what now 10. If I further simplify this here, making use of this power of 6 here, I will just subtract x raised to the power 6 away from all of them here, which will now give me equal to minus 2x raised to the power 2 plus 18, because x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 6, which is 0. So over x raised to the power what now 4. This is just the final answer. So if I were you, I will watch this video again to understand it better. This is just the first part. There are other series I'll be making on this video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. And do well to contact me for an online Zoom classes, rugged classes, where your mind is redefined and your destiny is taking a new form and a new dimension. Parents, students, this is my WhatsApp line. You can contact me today. God bless you.